everyone! If you don't already know, you can actually use online practice to create and do one mock exam each day and immediately see your live skills profile. Here's how. Once you're logged in, go into online practice and click on Practice Now. Then in each of the speaking, reading, writing and listening modules, we're going to create a practice set containing all the questions you're going to have to do in the real exam. So for example, with speaking, we're going to add read aloud about 6 to 7 questions, repeat sentence about 10 to 12 questions, so let's say 11, and so on and so forth. So once you finish adding all of the different question types, say 6 here, we're going to click on Practice Now, and you'll see you have created Speaking Practice Set 8, and this is very similar to the speaking section that you'll need to do in the real exam. Now we're going to go back to every single one of the other modules, and we're going to do the same thing and create a practice set in each of these too. So once you're ready, you can start your timer and go back into each of these practices you've created and start doing them now. When you finish doing all the practice sets, remember that they're all automatically machine graded for you, and so you'll see a green tick once you're done. Now your skills profile is actually calculated and updated live here, and you can see it's calculating based off the practice you have done in this date range. And what you can do to see your scores for just those questions you've done today is click on that and select Today. And that will calculate your scores based on those questions you have done across those 4 practice sets that you have created. So it's essentially like you are doing a mock exam and you're seeing your live scores here. You can try all of this out for free. Just sign up for a free account and get started.